we, we called upon His Excellency the President of India to suggest to him that what has happened in the last 4 days in the national capital of India is a matter of deep concern and is also a matter of national shame. That 34 persons at least have died, over 200 people have been injured, is a reflection on the total failure of the central government to control the situation. And we requested the President to use his powers to call upon the central government to protect and preserve its Raj Dharma, and so that the citizens of this country and this national capital are assured of peace, tranquility and justice.